Nasobrahan ka na ba sa Rejuve, Maxi Peel, RDL, or just any strong exfoliant or active na sobrang nag-red at nag-peel na yung skin mo? That might mean that your skin barrier is damaged. So kung yun ang concern mo, keep watching because yun ang pagsashopingan natin today sa Watsons, a skincare routine to help repair and heal your skin barrier. So, let's go! So we're here again at Watsons, the Podium branch. I think ito talaga ang isa sa mga favorite branches ko ng Watsons kasi very well-stocked sila and medyo malaki-laki din talaga yung branch nila. Not to mention, it's also in a very nice mall which is the Podium. Again, ang favorite ipagyabang ng mga Pilipino sa TikTok. Lalo na yung mahabang-mahabang escalator nila paakyat. And yes, sinakyan namin yun. So before tayo mag-shop, explain ko muna, our routine is a skin barrier repair routine. So we're coming from a place na marami na tayong nabiling skincare products, marami na tayong nabiling mga actives, pero parang medyo nasunog or parang sobrang over nag-react talaga yung skin natin. So our skin right now is in a very compromised state na yung skin barrier natin nahihirapan siyang mag-function normally. Kaya din talaga nagpipil yung skin natin. That's also a sign that it's compromised because ang natural talaga na state ng skin natin when it's healthy is moisturized. Kaya talaga meron tinatawag yung dermatologists natin na natural moisturizing factors, which is meron sa skin natin kapag healthy siya. So when it comes to shopping for this routine, ang philosophy natin is number one, less is more. We're going to try to shop for a very minimalist skincare routine first. Rest muna tayo sa mga actives ngayon because the more actives that we put in our routine, the higher the risk na ma-irritate yung skin natin. And back to step 1 na naman tayo na nag-irritate na naman siya, di ba? And kapag damage yung skin barrier ninyo, itong mga products lang talaga yung dapat ninyong i-focus muna for the next few days until your skin barrier starts feeling better or hindi na nai-irritate, hindi na siya namumula. And with that said, itong sensitive skin routine na to, gagawin natin siya for different budget levels. So bibigyan ko kayo ng mga options na nagugustuhan ko from different brands but also from different price points para kahit ano yung budget ninyo, medyo mataas or medyo low budget lang kayo, limited lang yung mabibili ninyo, meron pa rin kayong mga options na makikita dito sa Watsons. So that being said, start na tayo mag-shop for our sensitive skin routine. Okay, so first, start tayo with our cleanser. Kuha muna tayo ng shopping bag here. Ito ulit tayo. I'm okay to be assisted by myself. But anyway, ang first cleanser natin comes from a brand na, of course, alam nyo na talaga na for sensitive skin siya. Sikat na sikat siya, not just with dermatologists, but even with you guys. As in, trusted na trusted talaga siya na brand, and that is none other than Cetaphil. And yes, Cetaphil ang pag-pronounce sa kanya. Apparently. Pero hindi ko naman kayo dinidiktahan kung gusto nyong i-pronounce siya ng Cetaphil. Eh, di go! But anyway, of course, alam natin na ang Cetaphil is really a bit of a pricier option. Not everyone can really afford. But ang sa akin lang, if you can really afford itong brand na to, it is a very reliable brand. As in, hindi mo na kailangan lumipat-lipat with different brands. And always available siya sa Watsons. Yun talaga yung advantage mo. So, ang maganda rin naman kay Cetaphil, iba-iba yung mga parang sizes na available niya of their gentle skin cleanser. Usually, what I like to get is ito kasi ginagamit ko siya for traveling. Pag hindi kasi ako nagta-travel, nagtatry ako ng iba't ibang mga cleansers. Pero for me, kung gusto ko ng reliable, ito yung dinadala ko talaga. Kaso nga lang, this is 118 ml, so lagpas siya and hindi siya kakasya doon sa hand carry mo. Kailangan i-check-in mo siya. So, you might want to get itong smaller pa nila. But anyway, maraming iba't ibang mga cleansers si Cetaphil depending on the type of skin that you have. Itong hawak ko is for all skin types, pero meron din silang option kung medyo mas oily sensitive ka. Itong daily facial cleanser nila na darker blue yung color. Meron din silang foaming na cream cleanser kung gusto mo yung ganun na consistency. But again, like I said, itong cleanser talaga na to is for those na medyo may budget talaga. So kung wala kayong budget for this, I have other options for you. And the next option natin is, again, nasa baby section. So again, guys, quick tip lang ha. Kung gusto nyo talaga ng mga products na sensitive skin friendly, the best section to go to dito sa Watsons is really the baby section or in any drugstore in general. Kasi diba yung mga baby products, they're really formulated for skin na very sensitive kasi nga baby products sila, diba? So perfect na perfect, especially kung yung skin barrier mo is madali siyang ma-irritate or magkaroon ng reaction, similar to the skin of a baby. So naandito ang isa sa mga favorite ko na cleansers talaga na i-recommend. Specifically kung meron kang sensitive skin, itong Baby Dove Hair to Toe Baby Wash. Again, hindi na bagong recommendation to. Parang I think 2 to 3 videos ko na nire-recommend talaga to. But that's how really reliable it is as a cleanser. Lalo na kung mommy ka, pwede mo to gamitin for yourself, pwede mo pang gamitin kay baby. So really, that's how useful this is. Actually, itong nakuha ko is already the bigger size. 400 ml na siya, pero napakita ko sa mga previous videos, meron siyang ganito kaliit, yung 190 ml. I think this is a variant also ng baby wash nila, itong Soothing Moisture. But I think ito, nilagyan nila ng konting fragrance. Yung green kasi is fragrance-free, and then the pink one has a little bit of a fragrance from chamomile and warm milk na scent daw. Sana lang meron siyang smaller option option though kasi wala akong nakikita dito. Parang feeling ko out of stock. So siguro mabenta nga yung ganitong mga products. Another option for our cleanser, very good option din talaga to from the brand Aveeno. Finally, nasa Pilipinas na rin yung Calm and Restore line nila. So we have the Nourishing Oat Cleanser. And surprisingly, this is just 549 pesos for 200 ml. So I think this is also a really good option to get when it comes to cleansers. Though again, 549 pero 200 ml siya. So when you think about it, hindi siya gaano ka-pricey. Parang medyo ka-level lang niya si Cetaphil or si Cetaphil. And meron pa siyang oat extract. So perfect na perfect talaga. Ako kasi love na love ko talaga ang Calm and Restore line ni Aveeno. So this is also an option to watch out for. But kung very low budget talaga ang hanap mo for a cleanser, meron pa rin naman tayong mga options dito na 100 plus lang. And ito talaga yung lagi kong go-to. Again, this is not the first time na minention ko yung products na to sa video na to, but these are the cleansers from the brand Dr. Sensitive. Itong mga serum cleansers nila, they're low pH, gentle cleansing agents, and satisfying pa rin yung pag-lather niya sa skin. Dati parang 150 pesos lang siya, pero medyo nagtaas na sila ng konti, 169 na siya ngayon. Nonetheless, still one of the cheaper options when it comes to a face wash for sensitive skin. And bagay na bagay talaga because yung pangalan niya, Dr. Sensitive. And they also do say here na fragrance-free siya, which again is a factor when it comes to sensitive skin or yung skin na mabilis mag-react. Na kung very mababa talaga ang budget ninyo, as in let's say 2 digits lang talaga, meron akong 2 backup options for you guys. Pero ito talaga guys, as much as possible, kapag kasi medyo irritated yung skin ninyo, typically ang mga bar soaps talaga, they can be a bit drying sa face. May mga iba na nagba-bar soap kapag irritated yung skin nila, parang mas nafe-feel lang nila na irritated yung skin nila or parang mas nagiging banat kasi yung face mo after mong i-wash off yung bar soap, diba? So that can contribute to your skin being more irritated. So very kailangan mag-ingat ka talaga when it comes to choosing bar soaps. Yung marereko ko lang talaga sa inyo is itong lagi kong nire-recommend na Dove Sensitive. 90 pesos lang to, but meron din ako nakitang bago from them, itong Baby Dove na Baby Bathing Bar. This one though, set of 3 siya, so probably medyo mas mataas yung price niya. Pero itong dalawa lang yung marirecommend ko, but only as backup. As much as possible, kung afford nyo talaga, I would still recommend you to use a facial wash kasi mas gentle din talaga usually mga ingredients na makuha mo from facial washes. Especially those formulated for sensitive skin. Okay, so ilagay na natin ang Dove dito sa basket para man lang medyo ma-consider din natin siya. And let's move on to the next step of our routine. Alright, so next up sa skincare routine natin for a damaged skin barrier, aside from a very gentle na cleanser, another thing that you should really prioritize is a moisturizer. Na usually sinasabi ko sa mga normal skin types or sa mga skin types na hindi sila naman damaged is ang moisturizer, you only use it as needed. Kasi din naman sa morning, usually ang mga sunscreens, meron na silang mga moisturizing ingredients. So usually that already works, especially kung oily yung skin mo. And then at night, for those na gusto talaga gumamit ng moisturizer, pwede nilang gamitin. But in this case kasi, ito yung mga times na need mo talaga siya. So yung as needed mo, kailangan dalasan mo na siya. Now when it comes to a damaged skin barrier or a compromised skin barrier, importante ang mga moisturizers because meron silang mga ingredients na actually they naturally occur sa skin natin, pero dahil compromised or damaged yung skin barrier natin, kinukulang siya. So by applying the moisturizers, mare-replenish natin yon sa top layer ng skin natin. These are things or ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramides, cholesterol, or fatty acids. So that's why we need moisturizers rich in those ingredients para ma-replenish siya. And my top recommendation when it comes to a very reliable moisturizer that will really help repair your skin barrier is of course none other than this brand na nire-recommend na rin ng mga dermatologists. Matagal ko na rin itong nire-recommend ever since the start of my YouTube career, minimension ko na siya. This is of course the brand CeraVe. And I'm so happy na finally meron ng CeraVe sa Watsons. Nag-release na sila ng official lines nila dito sa Watsons Philippines. Parang kailan lang talaga ang dami sa community natin nag-wish na parang oh my god, sana magka-CeraVe na sa Watsons. Pagod na ako bumili online, nauubusan ako ng stock. Especially ngayon sa online, parang ang dami na rin talaga nagbebenta ng fake. But usually, ang nire-recommend ko sa CeraVe is yung PM cleanser nila, yung color violet na parang ganun kalaki. Pero hindi siya available ngayon eh. So, my second recommendation kung wala yon is yung moisturizing lotion nila. And I'm actually so happy na meron sila ng smaller sizes for those who just want to try it first. Now, I really like this compared doon sa moisturizing cream nila because as someone na oily yung skin type, I want something that's a little bit more easier to blend on the skin. And since lotion nga to, may pagka mas fluid siya compared to itong cream. But kung dry naman din talaga yung skin mo in general, the cream could also be helpful. But ako lang as an oily skin girly, mas prefer ko lang talaga ang lotion nila. Meron din silang malaking size nito sa baba. Ito siya, but this one is priced at 1,495 pesos. Ito namang maliit nila na 88 ml, if I'm not mistaken, is in the 500 to 600 price range. So a bit pricey, but what you're really paying for here is yung nakasabi dito na 3 essential ceramides flavonoids, and hyaluronic acid. This also has cholesterol and fatty acids, so kumpletong-kumpleto talaga siya with yung mga components na kumukulang sa skin barrier natin. That's why talaga sobrang sumikat to si CeraVe, and kaya sobrang worldwide kilalang-kilala na talaga siya kasi maganda talaga yung formulation nito. So lagay na natin siya sa basket, but again, alam ko hindi lahat talaga may budget for a CeraVe lotion or a CeraVe cream. So while this is the top option, pakita pa ako ng more options for those na medyo mas mababa yung budget. Na kung naghahanap ka ng parang close alternative sa CeraVe na meron ding ceramides and yung formulation niya, marami ding mga components na kinukulang ng skin barrier natin, I think the closest would be from the brand Lux Organics. Again, this is not the first time na na-mention ko to. It's from their Cica Rescue line, itong Gentle Brightening Derma Relief Moisturizer nila. Harap pa lang may kita mo, meron silang 5 times ceramide complex. So, kumpleto yung mga ceramides na nilagay nila dito. They also have niacinamide here, which baka mag-worry ka na, hala, active ingredient yun, di ba? Actually, niacinamide, benefit that not a lot of people know is nakakatulong din siya in strengthening our skin barrier. Hindi lang siya talaga brightening ingredient. Though meron naman siyang brightening component, but ito, naglagay lang sila ng enough niacinamide to help with our skin barrier. Additionally, this also has Centella asiatica, which as we know is a soothing ingredient. Siyempre, alam na rin natin na helpful yun for irritated skin types. Now, a lot of people tend to like this one because of the formulation, though merong mga iba na sinasabi medyo creamy siya for their liking. Usually, it's those people na medyo parang normal to combination oily yung skin types nila. They kind of want something lighter. Instead of yung green, kunin niyo yung blue, itong Hyaluron Double Collagen Hydra Cooling Moisturizer nila. Mas bagay ito for oily skin types kasi ito, it has 5 times hyaluronic acid, which is still a component sa skin natin. But aside from that, they also have urea and panthenol. And for me talaga, very underrated ang urea and panthenol. They're very excellent hydrating ingredients for the skin. And especially if you feel like yung skin mo is oily, pero di ba pag na-irritate siya, parang nagda-dry, parang feeling mo nagpipil siya, pero nag-oily pa rin siya, parang may waxy feeling na medyo awkward. Usually kasi ang meaning nun is yung skin barrier mo, it's not just dry, but it's also dehydrated. So usually ang solution doon is to hydrate your skin with better humectants or hydrating ingredients like panthenol and urea. And ito, medyo mas presko din yung feeling nito. Pag spread mo on your skin, mafe-feel mo talaga yung hydration, not as creamy siya. So lagay na rin natin to, but I still have another option for you. Kasi po, kunin ko lang. Thank you. Okay, so kinuha lang natin siya from the shelf, pero itong product na to, matagal siya actually nawala sa Watsons. As in, parang na-phase out siya, but I'm so happy to see it back. As in, today ko lang siya literal nakita na bumalik na. And I'm super duper happy that it's back. It's from the brand Simple, itong Hydrating Light Moisturizer nila. For those na matagal lang nanonood ng mga videos ko, you guys already know that this is one of the moisturizers talaga na sobrang accessible and perfect na perfect for sensitive skin types. Nakita ko medyo ni-revamp nila yung packaging talaga. Ayan, makikita mo na that this has just 1% niacinamide. Perfect yun because the working percentage of niacinamide to get all the benefits is 2 to 5%. Eh, since medyo yung skin nga natin is irritated, diba? So, okay na medyo mababa yung niacinamide here. Because meron pa rin yung konting ambag sa skin barrier natin. But aside from that, meron din tong sinasabi nilang Pro Vitamin B5, but whenever you see Vitamin B5, it means it has panthenol. So, yung kaninang nakita natin sa moisturizer na to, yung panthenol, it's the same as this one. And honestly kasi talaga, ang panthenol is a very underrated ingredient for me when it comes to oily skin. Kasi talaga, usually a lot of people look for hyaluronic acid, pero may mga ibang tao na irritate kasi sila sa hyaluronic acid. So yung combination ng niacinamide and panthenol, very, very good siya. And ang maganda dito is medyo mura din talaga siya. This is just 199. Itong maliit niya is 127 pesos. So not bad na rin, di ba? 100 plus meron ka ng moisturizer na high quality talaga. So welcome back, Simple. I am so happy na mabibili na ulit natin to. Now, another option for moisturizers naman, balik tayo dito sa Aveeno Calm and Restore na section kasi talaga one of my favorites itong Calm and Restore Oat Gel Moisturizer nila. This one matagal ko na itong nirecommend, I think 1 to 2 years ago already. Maganda talaga to. This is maybe like an upgraded version of nung daily moisturizer nila or yung daily moisturizing lotion. This one is more parang luxurious yung feel niya. It blends a bit more easily on the skin and very reliable din talaga siya na option. As in, how much I rely on doon sa daily moisturizing lotion na 200 pesos lang, mas improved pa talaga dito. And it's also an option for you to watch out for. Although ang presyo niya is 899, medyo on the pricey side. But if parang medyo kinulang yung budget mo doon sa CeraVe, this is also a really good option. Now, another option na of course, hindi natin talaga makakalimutan for being very affordable. Ito again, matagal ko na silang nire-recommend. Buti lang medyo magkatabi sila. We have Celatec and Aveeno. Pareho silang may mga moisturizers na okay for sensitive skin types. But also, accessible din talaga yung prices nila or budget-friendly. So first, we have yung facial moisturizer nila. This one, parang watery moisturizer lang siya. This used to be, I think, parang 150 pesos. Pero again, inflation is real, 175 na siya ngayon. More for oily na sensitive skin types or oily skin na irritated or dehydrated. Okay na okay and very comfortable yung consistency nito. But if you want a moisturizer na mas soothing pa siya, and ito talaga, no fail siya sa akin kahit gaano ka irritated yung skin ko. Ito pa rin talaga yung tinatakbuhan ko and it has never irritated my skin. In fact, nasusoothe pa nga niya. It's this one from the brand Aveeno, their daily moisturizing lotion. And di ba parang always ko na talaga ito nire-recommend when it comes to a moisturizer sa Watsons for sensitive skin. Na-recommend ko na rin to for use with acne medications para ma-offset yung side effects nila of irritation. All in all, ito talaga very reliable siya. And even people with oily skin types, kahit na medyo creamy yung consistency niya, nagugustuhan pa rin nila because it's also not that heavy on the skin. Ako ito talaga, pag na-irritate yung skin ko, ang tatakbuhan ko lang lagi is Aveeno. As in Cetaphil Cleanser and then Aveeno and then yun na. And price-wise, again, dati ano lang to parang 4 or 5 years ago, used to be like less than 200 pesos pero again, inflation is real, 227 na siya. So it's not the most affordable anymore, but in my opinion, compared to the other moisturizers that you'll get here, okay pa rin siya. And ako talaga guys, sa CR ko meron akong Aveeno in case of emergency talaga. I'm sure meron na nakapanood sa TikTok live ko na nagtatry ako ng mga actives tapos biglang namula yung mukha ko. Isa-stop ko lahat and then maglalagay lang ako ng Aveeno moisturizer. Ganun ko talaga siya, sobrang trusted. But anyway, those are some very affordable options when it comes to moisturizers. I'm so happy, marami na mapagpipilian sa Watsons. But let's now move on to our next step. Alright, so move na tayo to our third essential and ito talaga, hindi pa rin natin siya i-skip kahit na medyo irritated yung skin natin. That is our sunscreen. Pero alam ko, concern ng marami sa inyo talaga is yung sunscreen, kapag ina-apply nyo sa face nyo, minsan di ba nagsisting sa mata. Pero kapag extra sensitive yung skin natin, minsan nagsisting din siya pati sa mukha natin, di ba? Kasi nga sensitive siya, mabilis mag-react. So when it comes to choosing a sunscreen for a damaged or compromised skin barrier, kailangan medyo maghigpit din talaga tayo. Bawal muna tayo gumamit ng mga sunscreens na drying alcohol based and also merong fragrance. Technically, again, yung fragrance, it's a case-to-case basis. Hindi naman lahat ng tao magiging sensitive to fragrance. Pero better safe than sorry, especially during this time na sobrang sensitive talaga yung skin mo. Buti na lang, medyo nag-evolve na yung mga options talaga sa Watsons. Meron tayong mga sunscreens na mabibili mo talaga na fragrance-free and drying alcohol-free. So start tayo with our first option na lagi-lagi ko talagang minimension din na andito na naman ang kanyang rebulto talaga. Itong Sunbrella Intensive Care Watery Sunscreen. Ito talaga guys, I recommend this not just as a very lightweight sunscreen. This is also good for sensitive skin types. Ito kasi guys, makita mo sa likod, it is 0% alcohol, meaning wala siyang drying alcohol sa formulation niya. It's also fragrance-free and nakakatulong din siya sa repair because it also has ceramides in its formulation. And the best part, kung sensitive acne-prone ka, perfect na perfect because yan talaga nakalagay dito. Suitable for sensitive and acne-prone skin. So you have nothing to worry about. And for those who might be curious, yung UV filters na gamit nila dito, yes, it is a chemical sunscreen, pero hindi totoo na lahat ng chemical sunscreen is parang init talaga ng balat. It depends on the chemical UV filters that you use. Ito ang gamit nila, dalawa lang, Avobenzone and Uvinol P150, which is an advanced UV filter. And dahil very strategic yung gamit nila ng UV filters dito compared to other chemical sunscreens, hindi to nakaka-irritate. So that's why gustong-gusto ko talaga yung option na to. It is $4.99, yes. I wish the price was a bit lower, pero kung medyo mas mababa pa yung budget nyo, meron pa akong ibang mga options na nandito lang sa section na to. So this option that I have for you is actually also from a local brand. Medyo bagong release lang siya. It's from the brand Bello and it's their mineral sunscreen line. So ito yung newest line of sunscreens ni Bello na meron din siyang zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. So very, very useful yon, especially if your skin is irritated because meron silang soothing properties. Meron akong wear test dito sa TikTok if you want to see yung parang consistency on my skin or parang how it spreads or how it blends. Kapag gumamit ka talaga ng mineral, hindi mo may iwasan, merong konting white cast. You really have to keep blending it. Yun yung parang konya or yung trade-off for wanting to use a mineral sunscreen and wanting to get its soothing properties. Kaya talaga ako personally, chemical sunscreen all the way ako. Pero if you really want to use mineral, effective pa rin naman siya. You just really have to take note na meron siyang konting white cast. Na itong kay Bello, compared to other mineral sunscreens na natry ko, in fairness, medyo mas mabilis siyang mag-blend and maganda din talaga yung parang finish niya. Hindi siya yung parang sobrang kintab and hindi rin greasy yung feeling niya sa face. So in fairness naman. Now this is an ultra gentle formula. Mababa yung fragrance niya pero meron din silang fragrance-free option. Yung pang baby at or pang kids. Magpapakita na ako ng picture here para makita niyo siya for reference. Screenshot niyo na lang. It's sometimes not available in some Watsons branches pero usually naman may kita mo siya online na available. There is another option for you when it comes to mga mineral sunscreens. Recently, mahanap mo na rin sa Watsons itong brand na Magway, itong sheer mineral sunscreen nila. The sunscreen also blends relatively better compared to other mineral sunscreens, especially mga galing sa US na ang mahal-mahal, ang pangit pa ng white cast, di ba? This one, meron pa rin konting cast but it's a bit easier to blend on the skin. Yun nga lang, may konting fragrance siya. It is is on the last part naman ng ingredients list. So yun lang, it's up to you. Pero kung gusto mo talaga maghigpit, meron namang mga fragrance-free options. So yun lang. But what I really like about yung kay Magway is yung SPF testing niya is super duper credible. As in, world standard yung pag-test nila ng SPF because it follows the ISO 2444 na standard. That is global standard. Some of our local brands don't even follow that. So alam mo talagang the SPF 50 na nakikita mo dito is credible. So kudos to Magway for being one of those brands na global standard talaga ang pag-test nila. There's a lot to know about yung reef-safe sunscreens and how valid they really are in this industry. But if you want to know more about that, maglilink na lang ako sa description box of my video explaining reef-safe sunscreens. And dahil meron na rin tayong sunscreens, move on na tayo to another part of our routine na medyo optional lang siya but better if you can put it in your skincare routine or better kung meron kang budget for it. So ito na ang ating final or medyo optional na step, and this is actually a barrier repair serum. So I put this as an optional part kasi technically kapag meron ka ng moisturizer, you're already repairing your skin barrier in a way. But some people kasi ayaw talaga nila mag-moisturizer sa umaga. And that's completely valid. Gets ko naman, medyo malagkit din talaga yung weather natin and mainit pa and ang dami pa sa ating pawisin. So ako as someone na fellow pawisin din talaga and very oily yung skin, I found a solution that actually even helps with the oiliness of my skin. And that is a barrier repair serum. So think of it as like, para siyang moisturizer pero mas lightweight. And ang advantage pa na na-notice ko, when your skin is a bit oily, tas naglagay ka ng hydrating serum sa start ng day, parang yung oiliness ng skin mo, hindi siya yung parang umiipon sa isang area or parang nagiging patchy. Kapag nagiging oily ka talaga, parang even siya. So at least it looks a little bit better compared to kapag hindi ka talaga naglagay ng moisturizer. Parang weird yung oiliness. Tas kapag natapat ka pa talaga sa ilaw, parang hindi talaga siya nakaka-fresh. So parang medyo freshness tip din talaga siya para at least kahit medyo sensitive yung skin mo, may help mo pa rin naman na, you know, it appears a bit better even under unflattering light. So ito yung usual na mga barrier serums that I would recommend na mahanap mo sa Watsons. Of course, unahin natin ito. Ito talaga, there's a reason why I work together with this brand. I really like it. It's the brand Dr. O or Dr. O Skin Lab rather, and this is their serum called the Dryness Solution. Now, ang Dr. O, meron silang mga nirelease na mga serums for different types of skin conditions. Meron silang for anti-aging, meron sila for dark spots, but specifically for barrier repair, ang ganda talaga nitong dryness solution nila. This one is a fragrance-free and drying alcohol-free formulation. And makita mo dito, again, 5% vitamin B5. And again, anong sabi ko sa inyo kanina, pag nakita nyo yung vitamin B5, that is panthenol. And this one has 5% of it. Now, yung panthenol, again, it's just a hydrating ingredient, but it's a really underrated ingredient for oily skin types. Kaya talaga gustong-gusto ko to. And as you can see, perfect na perfect, guys, 50% off. So from its regular price of 549, parang magiging 200 plus na lang. 200 to 300 peso price range for a 30 ml serum that has ceramides, that has panthenol, that has hyaluronic acid. Meron din siyang konting niacinamide for barrier repair. So, ganda talaga siya. And it will really help those people na medyo nire-repair talaga nila yung skin barrier nila or yun yung priority nila. But if medyo on a budget kayo, here are some other serums that you might want to consider. Si Face Republic, meron siyang sachet version of their Hydro Boost Solution Serum. Ito naman, ang pinormulate nila is 11 types of hyaluronic acid. So, very hydrating siya. Still very useful for the skin. If I'm not mistaken, this is also a fragrance-free formulation. So, ito talaga, top 2 options ko sila. Kung medyo conservative ka, hindi mo pa sure if you want a barrier care serum, at least meron kang sachet version for 100 pesos only. Or 109 rather. So, some of you might be curious, kailan ko ba ito ilalagay sa routine ko? This is something that you would put after ka mag-cleanse, but before your moisturizer or your sunscreen. So, for example, sa umaga, kung ayaw nyo talaga mag-moisturizer sa umaga, then what you can do is cleanser, and then you can use your hydrating serum, and then go in with a sunscreen. Sa gabi naman, you can use this as a little bit of a boost to your moisturizer. So, start with your cleanser, and then your serum, and then your moisturizer. But anyway, yun na yung last na mga products na pag-uusapan natin. So now, let's do a recap, and tingnan natin kung anong type of skincare routine ang magagawa natin with the products we just chose. Ayan, so andito na siya, inipon ulit natin siya sa cart, and then ilalagay natin sa shopping bag natin yung skincare routine na pipiliin natin. So first, gusto ko muna mag-start with yung mga options if I were to choose personally for my own skincare routine para alam nyo rin. So ito muna yung top picks ko, and yung top consideration ko is myself. So start muna tayo with the cleanser. Ang options natin is yung Cetaphil, yung Dr. Sensitive, and yung Aveeno. Andito silang tatlo. Actually, technically, ito is maraming budget, medyo may budget, and drugstore budget. So honestly, medyo close fight talaga between all of them. But if my skin barrier was really sensitized talaga, as in irritated siya, I would probably go with itong kay Aveeno. Iba rin kasi talaga ang aking bias sa Aveeno. Sobrang trusted na trusted ko talaga siya, and I really like this cleanser as well. Though hindi siya as mabula compared to even Cetaphil. Medyo mas mabula pa si Cetaphil. But only while my skin is irritated. But on regular days, if I just want to prevent irritation, honestly, Dr. Sensitive, okay na okay din siya. But just for now, ang uunahin ko muna is itong Aveeno. For moisturizer, actually, ang dami nating options na maganda for moisturizer. Diba? Ako talaga love na love ko si Aveeno. I really trust this with my life. Wow, grabe yung with my life. Siguro ang top 2 ko is going to be these two. Either itong kay Aveeno or kay CeraVe. Kasi maganda din talaga yung mga ingredients na kay CeraVe. But at the same time, in my own experience, kapag very irritated talaga yung skin ko, dito ako tumatakbo. So it's a very close fight, but if you ask me, Aveeno talaga, as in, I love you CeraVe, pero second place ka lang talaga kay Aveeno. O diba, parang ang bias na ng routine natin kay Aveeno. Pero promise talaga guys, I haven't even worked together with Aveeno. So that's how you know na gustong gusto ko talaga siya. Next up, for the sunscreen, buti wala ng Aveeno. So ako personally, ang pipiliin ko talaga, parang very easy option for me. Kasi talaga ako, hindi ako mahilig sa sobrang mahirap i-blend na mga mineral sunscreens. Though, again, to be fair naman, itong si Belo at si Magway, they're slightly easier to blend compared to other mineral sunscreens. But just in general, ako kasi pag nagmamadali ako sa umaga, wala akong time na i-properly blend talaga yung sunscreen ko. So I want one that blends more easily. So I would probably go with itong kay Sunbrella. And then, for the hydrating serum, also very easy option for me, Dr. O. Kasi ito talaga yung ginagamit ko and ito yung dinadala ko sa mga trips whenever natatakot ako na ma-irritate from my acne medications. So ito siya, this is Jan Angelo's routine, or these are Jan Angelo's top picks. Kung gusto niya talaga yung mga products na personally, I really stand by. But if we were to change up this routine to be more budget-friendly and accessible, again, expertise natin talaga yan. So kung ita-tailor natin yung routine for lower budget also, or a more affordable or accessible budget, balik tayo sa mga cleansers. So again, probably ang pipiliin ko is itong kay Dr. Sensitive kasi 169 lang siya. And again, sabi ko rin naman, kapag hindi irritated yung skin ko, this is really one of my top options to prevent irritation. Satisfying din kasi talaga siya, and there is a reason why I mentioned this almost every video. And then, let's move on to the moisturizer part. Ito naman, parang hindi ko pa rin ma-let go si Aveeno. Although dito na pumapasok yung mga Lux Organics moisturizers natin because they offer really good ingredients at a really good value. So I would say, itong dalawa na lang yung pagpilian ninyo. If you feel like you will really benefit from the essential ceramides, like na-try mo na yung CeraVe before and nagustuhan talaga ng skin mo, pero wala kang pang budget for it, then you'll really like itong Cica Rescue, and 349 pesos lang to, so perfect din sa budget. But if gusto niyo lang talaga ng something that will not irritate your skin kapag nilagay niyo siya, then very safe option talaga itong si Aveeno. And because I also personally really like it, itong kay Aveeno tayo kasi mas mura din siya. So all in all, parang 300 plus pa lang yung routine natin, which we can make way for our sunscreen na ito pa rin talaga yung pipiliin ko, the Sunbrella Intensive Care Aqua Sunscreen, because meron siyang ceramides. Well, kayo na bahala kung gusto niyo talaga gumamit ng mineral sunscreen, but just my personal recommendation, still this one. And last but not the least, for our serum, since we want to kind of shop a bit smartly, try nyo muna yung hydrating serum kung pasok siya sa routine nyo. So I would recommend itong Face Republic Hydro Boost Serum na 100 pesos lang. So itong full routine na to for sensitive skin, this is less than 1,000 pesos pa rin siya for a sensitive skin routine, day and night na to, and probably magagamit mo to for around 2 months. So perfect pa rin for those na merong may moderate budget talaga sa Watsons, but kung super duper baba talaga ng budget ninyo, then probably ang mangyayari is the Dove na sabon, and then hindi na tayo probably magsi-serum. We're probably just gonna go with itong Aveeno na 100 plus lang. Sabihin natin na hindi ka talaga hiyang sa mga chemical sunscreen, gusto mo talaga mineral, let's choose Belo. Minsan din nagba-buy one take one to, and probably wag na natin muna i-try yung serum kasi baka hindi mag-work sa'yo, edi sayang lang yung pinanggastusan nyo. So all in all, the estimated budget for this one, around 776 pesos. So, ayan siya, yung ultra budget routine natin. But anyway, ayun na siya. At least alam nyo na rin kung ano yung mga top options ko versus yung mga ultra budget options versus yung mga options that are somewhere in between. So now, magbayad na tayo. Let's go! So, ayun na siya. As usual, success tayo for our sensitive skin or damaged or compromised skin barrier routine. And as usual, guys, if meron kayong mga products na nakita sa video na to na gusto nyo pang tignan, ilalagay naman namin lahat ng mga shop links in the description box. And maglalagay din tayo on the lower left or right of our screen, parang YouTube shopping, bagong feature siya ni YouTube. So, it makes it easier for you to find these products sa authentic stores nila. And as per usual, dahil shopping video to and meron akong sarili kong skincare routine, this one that we shop for is going to be for one lucky lucky viewer. So as per usual, kung gusto niyo sumali sa giveaway natin, lahat na ng mechanics are also in the description box. Kailangan niyo na lang sila sundan for you to stand a chance to win itong skincare routine that I shopped for today. And I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any other requests for skincare routines that you want me to shop for dito sa Watsons or in other stores, just let me know sa comments, as well as other products that you want my opinion on. So yun lang guys, thank you so much for watching, and as usual, I will see you in the next video. Bye!